Welcome back to Dadskillz. This is part 2 of the glass cutting video. And in this one we're going to sand and make safe the edges of the bottles that we cut in part 1. And I've got to say, it's not as easy as you think it might be. Let's take a look.
Dadskillz, 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 Dadskillz.
So this was one of the bottles that went quite well. We got quite a relatively clean cut, although it did take a lot of grinding down with the Dremel attachment. And then I've got the other blue bottle there. Now the danger is you slip over the edge and you actually mark the glass that you don't want to. And on this one, I found out later after sanding that it's actually a clear bottle with this sort of purple tint sprayed onto it and actually scratched into that. So that kind of ruined that really. So I've ground it down using the Dremel, and now I've got this little sanding wheel that's getting a better finish. And with the kit, the actual glass cutting kit, came this quite harsh sandpaper, and I tried starting the bottles off with those, and it would have taken years, and I'm not the most patient person.
That's right.
So we carried on grinding. So you remember these that went rather well. Well, I had to do those because the person who wanted them doing, I was seeing them, so I had to crack on and do those, and they turned out really well. They were safe, nice and smooth, looked really good. Through sanding them down, I went through from maybe an 80 grit all the way to a 3000 grit, and they're still not perfect, but they're okay. Now this bottle turned out pretty cool. This is a Malfi gin, I think, Italy. The cut around the top of that was really good, and that turned out really nice, that you'll see in the end. Now we're getting to the point where the Dremel died, and I had to replace the bushes, and I shall link that video above, how to replace the bushes on your Dremel. As you can see, I've got the cutting disc in there, and I reckon I could save a couple of bottles that I attempted to cut. Right, there we go. The Dremel's dead. So how did we get on? Well, I think it went okay. Certainly by no means perfect, and it would be nice if someone knows, tell me in the comments how I can stop the sort of chips on the edges of the glass. That would be cool to know. This turned out really well. This will make a really nice vase. So what can we do next in this? I think some of the bottles that I saved, I've yet to sand those down, so they'll be next. And then hopefully those ones are sort of half the size of the one you're looking at the moment. I think I can put a candle in that one, so that'll be another one in the sort of series that I can do. And I think having gone through a lot of bottles to get these few that turned out okay, the thicker the bottle the better seems to be the key, because the thicker ones turned out far better. Right, that's it from Dadskillz. Any comments, leave them below. Any tips and tricks that you know, leave them below. I'll see you again really soon.
Dadskillz, Dadskillz, Dadskillz.